Listen to him. You may have a lot of things to tell him, but the most important thing is what he has to say. Let him talk first. Make the evening. I can't even do this with a straight face. Make the evening his. Never complain if he does not take you out to dinner or to other types of entertainment. Instead, try to understand his world of strain and pressure, his need to come home and relax. The goal? Try to make your home a place of peace and order where your husband can renew himself in body and spirit. Dude, we gotta redo this. I gotta do this with a straight face.
I think it's good the way it is.
Where the hell did you get that from?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I think it's gonna be opening. This is gonna be opening. Pickle's good.
Yeah.
Want some of those cold cuts?
Yeah, yeah.
The camera's rolling?
Yeah, it's wrong.
All right. So here we are, the 2017 early bear season in the Catskills. This is the first night before the first hunt.
Yeah, we missed last week.
Missed last week because we had to take the girls on vacation.
And Hurricane Irma got in the way.
Yeah.
So a 7-day cruise turned into 10.
It almost killed this weekend too.
Yeah?
For another little bit. But we're here. Tomorrow, Benny's gonna shoot his first bear.
Oh, I hope. That'd be nice.
You can do it. What is that?
This is covered gold.
You got alcohol?
Oh, got a hole.
Oh. That's a bear print.
It's a big ass bear print.
It's a big ass bear.
Let's get in the trees.
I'm gonna go where I shot my first bear. And my only bear. I make it sound like a shadow hunt. I gotta find a trail. I don't know where that place is. I can't find my tree stand. Let me serve some bear shit. That's bear shit. That is bear shit. Here's some more bear shit. Something behind me just growled, and it was pretty loud. It sounded like a bear. I don't see anything. It was loud, but no bear. That squirrel. Here's the field we always see the deer in. A little bit of fog. It's time to go. All I saw was 2 deer, a lot of squirrels. Just gonna check up on a couple of tree stands and go back in. Benny, show us that hat. What does it say? Let me see.
What did it say? I'm a
Make
big,
America Great Again.
That's right. I'm a big Trump supporter.
It's in camo.
That's right.
Not red, but camo. You got the red one for the hunting season? No red one for the hunting
I
season?
should get one, but
They should make one in safety orange.
So this is a public service announcement from Camp Needlebuck. And these tips are for you hunting wives on how to greet your husband when he comes home from a long day in the woods. Have dinner ready. Plan ahead, even the night before, to have a delicious meal on time. This is a way of letting him know that you have been thinking about him and are concerned about his needs. Most men are hungry when they come home from hunting, and the prospects of a good meal are part of the warm welcome needed. Prepare yourself. Take 15 minutes to rest up so you'll be refreshed when he arrives. Touch up your makeup, put a ribbon in your hair, and be fresh looking. He has just been with a lot of work, weary people. Be a little gay and a little more interesting. His boring day may need a lift. Clear away the clutter. Make one last trip through the main part of the house just before your husband arrives. Gathering up school books, toys, paper, etc. Then run a dust cloth over the tables. Your husband will feel he has reached a haven of rest and order, and it will give you a lift too. Prepare the children. Take a few minutes to wash the children's hands and faces, if they are small. Comb their hair, and if necessary, change their clothes. They are little treasures, and he would like to see them that way.
here comes the divorce papers.
Minimize all noise. At the time of his arrival, eliminate all noise of washer, dryer, dishwasher, or vacuum. Try to encourage the children to be quiet. Be happy to see him. Greet him with a warm smile and be glad to see him. Some don'ts. Don't greet him with problems or complaints. Don't complain if he's late for dinner. Count this as a minor compared with what he might have gone through that day. Make him comfortable. Have him lean back in a comfortable chair, or suggest that he lie down in the bedroom. Have a cool or warm drink ready for him. Arrange his pillow and offer to take off his shoes. Speak in a low, soft, soothing voice. Allow him to relax and unwind. Listen to him. You may have a lot of things to tell him, but the most important thing is what he has to say. Let him talk first. Make the evening. I can't even do this with a straight face. Make the evening his. Never complain if he does not take you out to dinner or to other types of entertainment. Instead, try to understand his world of strain and pressure, his need to come home and relax. The goal? Try to make your home a place of peace and order where your husband can renew himself and body and spirit. Dude, we gotta redo this. I gotta do this with a straight face.
It's good the way it is.
Where the hell did you get that from?
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I think this will be opening. This is gonna be opening.
I got news for you. Every one of these things is true.
Alright, I'm gonna
Maybe
close.
50 years ago.
I'm gonna close this
that
before
was-
before my wife beats me.
I got a mean sinus headache, and I'm going to bed. Long day. Hunting.